Hello, are you there? You don't know that broilers can lay egg? Are you there and you don't know that you can make your own broilers parent stock right from your farm? Are they telling you that broiler comes from the moon? Are they telling you that you must import broiler and broilers fly and buy return ticket for broilers before you start hatching broiler eggs in your farm? This particular video is for you. I want to debunk all that you have been hearing about broilers. Broilers can lay egg. You can still hatch broiler egg and produce very sound broilers. You can still get very good broiler parent stock right from your farm without importing anything from another country. You can do it in your farm. This video is for you. If you want to know it, watch the video till the end. This video is going to be a bit lengthy. That's the only way I can give you all you need to understand about broiler parent stock and having broilers laying egg for you, fertile eggs that you hatch into broilers also that will still grow big like the ones you buy from the market. I don't know what they must have feed your mind with so that you will not even go into hatching at all. If you have an incubator, have a very good poultry farm where you can keep the broiler parent stock, you can form your own broiler parent stock in your farm. Broilers after 6 months start laying egg, and once you cross the male and the female, they will lay fertile eggs and produce broiler young chicks for you. These broilers you are buying 2,000, 1,008, 1,007. You can hatch it in your own farm also without buying from anybody. This particular video will help you to build your conscience, and you can still do it. You start hatching it like also here. You can hatch your own broilers. So watch the video till the end. I'm going to give you all the details you need, step by step. I'm not going to skip anything. I'm not going to hide anything from you at all. Step by step, right from the selection of the right parent stock, setting up housing and equipment, feeding and nutritional plans, proper breeding management, incubation process, biosecurity and health management, marketing your broiler chicks. All these are included in this particular video. So please pardon me, those of you that say that I talk too much. I'm going to talk too much in this particular video because it involves a lot of things, and I must include them. All of them should be in this particular video. I don't need to cut it to another video, so I must include all of them. Watch the end if you want to get it. But if you want to continue buying the old chicks at the rate of 2,000, next year you may buy it 5,000 per one chick. So if you want to continue buying, don't watch the video. There's no need. But if you like this particular content, give it a thumb up, share the video to reach more farmers. It's going to be lengthy. Let's start going there. Building your own broiler parent stock or broiler breeders requires careful planning, right breed selection, proper management, and good biosecurity measures. In this particular video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to success in making your own broiler parent stock. The first step is understanding broiler parent stock. Broiler parent stocks are the best that produce the broilers for meat production. They require specialized management to ensure high fertility, hatchability, and good chick quality. The next thing you need is selecting the right parent stock. Choose high quality broiler breeder stock from reputable hatcheries. Some top broiler breeder strengths include Rose 308, Aboaka, and Harvard. Select the best among them. Ensure you get both male, that is the roosters, and the female, the hens, in the ratio of 8 to 10 females per one male. You can still do well by getting Rose 308 hens with cob 500 females. That will give you good results when you crossbreed them. Step 3, setting up housing and equipment for the parent stock. Construct well ventilated houses with spaces for proper movement and ventilation. Space requirements: brooding stage 0.3 square foot per chick, grower stage 0.75 square foot per chick, breeder stage 2.5 square feet per bed. Install feeders, drinkers, and nest boxes. Nest boxes are for egg laying. Provide proper lighting 14 to 16 hours per day for good egg production. Step 4, feeding and nutrition plan. Feed chicks with broiler starter, 20 to 22% crude protein for the first 6 weeks. Switch to breeder grower feed, 16 to 18% crude protein from 7 to 20 weeks. From 21 week, introduce breeder layers feed, 15 to 16% protein with extra calcium for eggshell formation. Provide grits or oyster shells to support digestion and strong eggshells. From this plan, you can see that it is not the same feed you give to your meat broiler that you give to the parent stock. You have to skip finisher and the fatty foods. So you need to skip those ones. Now, step 5, proper breeding management. Introduce males at week 24 when females start laying. The male and the female should be in different pen. Then when the hens start laying, you now bring in the male. Maintain the ratio of 8 hen to 1 rooster. That is 8 female to 1 male for effective fertilization. This will help your egg to hatch properly. Ensure artificial insemination if natural mating is ineffective. Collect and store eggs properly at 16 to 18 degrees centigrade with 75% humidity before incubation. Then the next stage is step 6, incubation process. Before they start laying egg, make sure you secure an incubator, no matter the capacity of the incubator, even if it is for your own use alone. Set fertile eggs in an incubator at 37.5 degrees centigrade with 55 to 60% humidity. The incubator turns the egg at least 5 times daily for proper embryo development. Transfer to hatcher at day 18, reducing temperature slightly 36.5 until chicks hatch at day 21. Step 7, biosecurity and health management. Vaccinate against Newcastle, Marex, Gomboro and fowl pox at the appropriate time. You must have vaccination schedule. If you don't have, check the videos, you see my vaccination schedule and use any of them. Provide probiotics and organic supplements to boost immunity and strengthen their hatchability. You can use our Eco Bio Booster. This will help you to do that. Maintain strict biosecurity measures. Food parts must be implemented. Restrict access and rodent control is very important in breeder stock. Regularly cool unhealthy birds to maintain strong genetics. Step 8, marketing your broiler chicks. Sell day-old chicks to other farmers or grow them into broilers, into grown-up broilers, so that you can market them for meat. Offer hatchery services if you have an incubator. To establish contracts with local farms, feed mills and processing plants. The final step: start small and expand as you gain experience in the hatchery and day-old producing business. Maintain record keeping on feed consumption, egg production and hatching rates. Use organic boosters and herbs to improve fertility and chick quality. Always monitor market trends to stay profitable.